Yes, the current time is 11:20 at night and I fully decided to bake. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you do not know me, my name is Daniela and welcome to another episode of Magical Life Mondays. I just have to say this really quickly. On the day that this is uploading, it is my mother's birthday. So I just want to give a quick little birthday shout out to my mommy. Love you so much, Mom, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. We're in a whole different setting. We are back in the kitchen, you guys. We are here for another segment of Daniela Cooking Up in the Kitchen. I'm going to show you guys today how to make these homemade gluten-free pull-apart dinner rolls. So yeah, you're going to get a full recipe video, full in-depth too on how to do this. So if you're ready to see how I made these delicious gluten-free dinner rolls, keep on watching. I'm back in the kitchen. I haven't done a cooking video since my husband's birthday, and we did gluten-free cupcakes. This recipe comes from myglutenfreekitchen.com. Today, I'm gonna be making gluten-free pull-apart dinner rolls. First, you need a mixing bowl. Here's my lovely mixing bowl. Bowl? I meant bowl. This is the one I personally use. I love King Arthur's. It's one of my personal favorites. You can get this big old bag from BJ's, and it was like $10, which is actually insane, because if you're gluten-free, you know how much this actually costs. And they give you like an itty bitty little tiny bikini one. We have our trusty measuring cup. Then you're gonna need 2 3/4 cups of flour, and we're just gonna put it right into our mixing bowl. Just going to beep beep beep. We might get a little messy, but that's okay. Don't wear a black shirt like I am when you're doing this. Beep beep. All right, so there's your flour. Next, you use this. This is your xanthan gum. I said it right. This is kind of like your binder, because since this is gluten-free, we don't technically have like an actual binder to our flour. That's where wheat comes in, and your girl can't have that, so binder. We're gonna be putting 1.5 teaspoons. Gosh, sponge. Gonna just go directly in there, honey, and just take it. This is what the xanthan gum looks like. It's just powder. So you can put that in there. Now we have our yeast. This is the brand yeast I like to use. You're actually going to be needing 2 teaspoons of this. I feel like this ingredient right here is what makes the bread more chewy, because sometimes gluten-free bread is very sand-like, very paper. It tears apart when you eat it. This does not do that. When I first read the recipe and like the ingredients, I didn't expect sugar. So I'm using this sugar. It's a quick dissolve sugar. It's from Domino. Look how cute my itty bitty little measuring cup is. Okay, so I'm just gonna, 1/4 cup of sugar, and you can put it right in here. You're going to be doing 1 teaspoon of salt. I just have kosher salt here. Meet my handy dandy KitchenAid mixy thingamababa. Okay, so first we are gonna take our dry ingredients, and I'm just gonna be placing it right here. This is the nozzle I like to use. It's just a, what kind of nozzle is this? Taking this bad boy, like that. Take your handle, raise it up. We are, in fact, going to be putting this on low, so the lowest level. So this is just going to be mixing like that just for a little bit. Now we are going to slowly add our wet ingredients into here. 1 cup of just warm water. We're actually going to be using apple cider vinegar in this ingredient. You're just going to be using 1 teaspoon. Crack a huevito. Then finally, you are going to be doing 2 tablespoons of butter. So then you're going to be moving this to medium, which is about a 4 for this one, or 4. You're going to be mixing like this for 3 minutes. You can see how the ingredients are combining very nicely together. Bread. Yum. Yummy bread. Yummy bread in my tummy. It's been 3 minutes. We are going to just scoop all of that yumminess out. Take that out of here. And this is what the mixture looks like. It's very warm because of the water, but it's very soft and it just feels really good. This is a pie pan. We are actually going to be spraying a little bit of cooking oil. I personally use avocado oil. It's just healthier. Now we're actually going to be using this right here. This is actually 1/3 of a cup. You're gonna be scooping it and we're gonna be mounding it. That's what a third looks like about. Taking that, just placing this one right in the center because this is kind of like the starter. Just gonna be scooping that like a couple more times just for this pan to be nice and full. All right, so we have our mounds here. We're gonna be taking just a little bit of warm water and I'm just gonna use my fingertips and we're just gonna be smoothing out the tops. We're gonna be taking a towel. We're just going to be covering it. We're gonna let these rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so we got a few minutes left until it should be fully rised. We're gonna actually preheat this bad boy. Putting it on bake, you are gonna be putting it for about 400 degrees. Bam. It's been about an hour since I let these rise and that's what they look like. So I preheated my oven to 400 degrees as we saw. Okay, we're gonna put these into the oven. These are gonna be baking in here for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna see something really quick because our oven tonight is unfortunately acting up on me. So it's not heating up to its full potential inside of my little toaster oven, unfortunately, tonight. So again, we're gonna have it at 400 degrees. This says 28 minutes, that's perfectly fine. But legit, it has not been cooking and I've been putting this inside of my big oven for over an hour. I'm once again taking 1 tablespoon of butter and I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna see if they're ready. Here is our bread. So I'm gonna be taking like one of these and we're gonna put butter directly on the top. So real, I'm using my flashlight from my iPhone. I'm so proud of myself that I've learned how to make my own bread. Do you see how nice and perfect it is? That's some good bread, you guys. As you guys know, I love to end every single Magical Life Monday episode with a Bible quote. And I'm actually gonna read the one that is on this towel. This is from the book of Psalms, and this is chapter 106, and it's just the first verse. And it just says, "Praise the Lord, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good." That's pretty much it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like today's cooking video and you want more Magical Life Monday episodes from me, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn the bell icon so you're notified when I post more videos. Also, if you can give this video a nice big thumbs up, it is greatly appreciated. Also, check me out on TikTok. You can follow me on there for more short form content. Until next Magical Life Monday episode, I'll see you later. Bye. This is where I'm gonna put all of the, I forgot huevitos. Third quarter, 2/3 quarter, right? That's how you say it? Just gonna It's just salt. I don't know why I'm smelling things. It's like sugar everywhere right now. Was it weird that I just sniffed it?